Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Etsy app. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps. Here on this window of Etsy, you click on apps, default apps. Then here, you click on Etsy app and you will enter. In this page, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by liking.